Hello, I'm Dr. Hodgkiss and I'm one of the maths teachers here at South.
And I'm Mrs. Stock, I'm also one of the maths teachers here at South.
In total, we've got 10 math teachers here in the department and one dedicated maths teaching assistant, and we teach all the students in the school from year 9 all the way up to year 13. So we do GCSE and a maths A-level, a further maths A-level and an exciting new course called Core Maths. When you come here to South, you'll start working towards your GCSE straight away. We'll make sure you're put into a set where you start covering the work that follows on from whatever you've been doing at middle school.
Great. So when you come in here in year 9, you're set into groups based on data that we get from middle school, and we follow a very, very clear scheme of work, colour-coded blue, then lilac, and then pink. So for example, you might start on lilac 1, recap A. So we'll have a sheet like this stuck in your book with all the topics that you'd be following throughout that chapter. And they're all mixed up, which is great, so we don't always have to do algebra. We'll mix algebra with a bit of number, with a bit of data, and with a bit of shape work. So test all your skills from middle school as well as building on those and moving forward. So you'll have this stuck in your book at the start of each chapter. I've got an example of one of these from a student last year. And then at the end of that chapter, you will do a chapter test on those topics. And then after that, we always have the motto, get it wrong,
Put it right.
Put it right, absolutely. So what we do is we spend time in class going through, colour coding where we've gone wrong, the areas that we need to improve on, and what we're definitely secure with. And then we spend time in class going over that again. We also have got it wrong,
Put it right.
put it right tasks that we can do to go over skills should they be needed again. So that's really clear. Books are neat and lots of work in them. Everything's stuck in. We mark in red, teachers and students respond in their green pen. So we get started. So you're going over things that you've done previously, but also moving forward and learning lots of new things as well. In lessons, we might have quick numeracy starters. We do some numeracy as well in year 9. So we do numeracy ninja. You can see the board behind us. We have a little bit of a leaderboard, a little bit of healthy competition with some of our classes, hopefully improving every time. And we also have numeracy booklets that we follow, where you can do different tasks in lessons and answers to practice your numeracy skills. And at the start of the lesson, we might have a little challenge like this one, Dr. Hodgkiss. Can you spot my mistakes? Are there any mistakes?
Well, let me see. So 2 lots of x plus 3, that would be 2x plus 6.
Okay, why is that so? Are you expanding brackets?
I'm expanding brackets.
Perfect.
2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. So there we have 2x plus 6. 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times 2. So that's going to be 3x minus 6. Oh dear, someone's gone wrong there and they've done minus 2 add 3 or add minus 2, haven't they? So that's not right. X times x is x squared minus 7 times x, so that's x squared minus 7x, excellent. 2x times y, 2xy, minus 3, oh dear. Again, a bit of a mistake there, isn't there? There should be an x there, shouldn't there, miss?
Oh, perfect. Very good student, Dr. Hodgkiss there.
Thank
You've spotted mistakes, you're ready for your maths lesson. Excellent.
Thanks.
Back to you.
Okay, so if 8 maths lessons a week isn't enough for you, 8 maths lessons a fortnight isn't enough for you, then there's plenty of other opportunities to get involved in maths here at South. We have a half-termly maths club where you can get involved in all sorts of exciting other kinds of maths, like building fancy shapes like this one, which is called a hexacontagon, or coding, for example, deciphering codes using the Enigma machine, that kind of thing. Also, we'll get you involved in the maths challenges and half-termly or similar competitions between your tutor groups.
Perfect. Lots of things to look forward to. I think that's from us, but we hope you enjoyed this virtual open evening and we look forward to seeing you here at South in September.